Please close your eyes and join your hands. Let's
Oh
start
Lord,
with the prayer.
oh Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and dear ones. Heal the people, those who suffer from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen.
Please open your eyes also. So last class we discussed point, line segment, and the last one ray. Krishna, tell me what's a point. Unmute and tell me what's a point.
Point is the dot.
Ah, very good. Point is a dot.
Point
Is a
is
dot.
the dot.
Okay,
Point
point is a dot. Good. Now, Parvati, tell me what's a line?
Line is a
Collection of points in a straight path. Very good. Collection of points in a straight path, and we can extend its end on both sides. Okay. Now we will come to the line segment. Chaitanya, tell me what's a line segment, Chaitanya? Line segment.
A part of a line.
Very good. It's part of a straight line and it has two endpoints. Okay, good. Now we will come to the last one. That is ray. Ritika, tell me what's a ray? Unmute and tell me what's a ray? Ray is a part of line.
A ray is a part of the line.
Very good. It has one starting point and we can extend only on
one side.
One side. Okay. Now it's clear to you all these 4 points and we are going to move the next topic. It's very simple. You already started learn this from the UKG onwards and it is different type of straight lines. Different type of straight lines. Adit Krishna only unmute. Others please be quiet. Adit Krishna, can you tell me which are the straight lines you know? In UKG you studied no? Different type of straight lines before starting the alphabets. Are you remembering?
A.
No, that are alphabets. Before writing, you may be studied about the lines, not lines, different type of lines. I will give you one clue. Did you know sleeping lines? Sleeping lines? Yes, Adit. Sleeping lines. Okay, Adit Krishna. We will discuss now. Okay. So Stefano is interested to say, I think. Stefano, tell me which are the 3 types of lines? Stefano, unmute and tell me which are the 3 type of lines you studied in UKG? Sleeping lines, then?
Sleeping lines.
Particularly this type of line?
Standing line.
Oh, very good. Standing lines. And this one? Tilted one, slanted one.
Sleeping line.
Sleeping, this one, no, sleeping.
Slanted.
Standing line. Okay, so already you know 3 type of lines. All of you show me the standing lines. Show me your hand and show me the standing lines. Very good, Anurag. Standing. Jennifer, put stand. Standing line, straight line, standing line. Okay, Parvati, your hand is slanted. Put properly. Straight, very good, very good. Straight. Tirtha, straight ones. Straight ones. Okay, Dhyan, very good. Nived, very good. So these type of lines, that means standing lines. We call it as vertical lines. Standing lines drawn from top to bottom. Standing lines drawing from top to bottom. We call it as vertical lines. Okay, vertical, V-E, V-E-R, ver, T, C. Vertical. Vertical. Vertical lines. So vertical lines means standing lines drawn from top to bottom. Standing lines drawn from top to bottom. Show me all of you standing lines, vertical lines. Aditya Krishna, show me standing lines. Ritika, very good. Standing lines. Standing lines, or like this, you can also. Standing lines. Ritika is showing. Let us see how he is showing. See standing lines. Now, show me the sleeping lines, Ritika. Sleeping lines. Sleeping lines. Very good. Sleeping lines. Lines drawn from left to right or right to left. We call it as horizontal lines. Okay. Horizontal lines. So let us see. Horizontal lines. All of you show me horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. Show me your hand. Very good, Nihal. Adit Krishna, good. Nived, very good. Stefano, very good. Okay, so now you understood. Sleeping lines or horizontal lines. Sleeping lines drawn from left to right or right to left. We call it as horizontal lines. Ho, ha. So start with H. Horizontal. Horizontal. Sam Tom, what are you doing there? Horizontal lines. You got it? Now the third one, slant lines. Chaitanya, sit properly. Slant lines. Slant line means sloping lines or tilted lines. We call it as slant lines. So these are the three type of straight lines. Which are the three type of straight lines? Nived, tell me. Nived, tell me which are the three types of straight lines. Nived, unmute and tell me.
Horizontal.
Horizontal, very good. Horizontal lines or sleeping lines. Which is the next one?
Vertical.
Very good. Vertical lines or standing lines. And the third one?
Sleeping line.
The third one? Slant lines. Slant lines. Okay. So which are the three type of lines? Which are the three type of lines? Horizontal lines or sleeping lines, vertical lines or standing lines, and the third one, slant lines or sloping lines. Is it clear, these three lines? Is it clear, these three lines? Okay.
Yes.
Let us write it today in the notebook. Okay. Let us write this in the notebook. Okay. So please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook. Take a fresh page. Let me share the screen.
Sleep line. Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with the notebook and pencil? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, right?
Yeah, we are going to write this. Okay. S, just 1 second. S, T, R, A, I, G, H, T. Can you see the spelling? I should increase its boldness.
Straight.
I will write once again. Let me take another color. Okay. S T R A I G H T. Straight. S T R A I G H T. Straight. S T R A I G H T. Straight. Lines. Lines. Straight lines. Lines. Straight lines. Straight lines are ARE. Straight lines are OF. Meenakshi, how many types of straight lines are there? Very good. 3. Straight lines are of 3 types. Straight lines are of 3 types. THREE 3, TYPES. Straight lines are of 3 types. Straight lines are of 3 types. Straight lines are of 3 types. THREE 3, TYPES. Types, 3 types. Let me write the next line. We have the first one. What's the name of the first one? What's the name of the first one? Nihal, tell me the first type of straight lines. Unmute and tell me sleeping lines. What will call sleeping
Standing
lines? Sleeping lines. Another name mathematically we are telling horizontal lines. Okay, tell me horizontal lines.
Horizontal lines.
Horizontal. So H-O. R-I. Sondal. Z-O-N-T-A-L. Horizontal. H-O-R-I-Z. HORIZONTAL. Horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. Anurag, which are horizontal lines? Is it sleeping or standing? Horizontal lines. Sleeping or standing? Sleeping lines. Very good. Sleeping lines. Horizontal lines are sleeping lines. Horizontal lines. Let us write its definition. SLEEPING. Sleeping. Horizontal lines. Sleeping lines S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping lines. L-I-N-E-S. Sleeping lines. Karthik, are you writing? Sleeping lines. Sleeping lines. Drawn. D-R-A-W-N. Sleeping lines drawn from where to where, Anurag? From where to where? Is it top to bottom or left to right?
Left to
Very good. Left to right. Sleeping lines drawn from F-R-O-M. From sleeping lines drawn from left. L-E-F-T. Left. Lines drawn from left. Sleeping lines drawn from left. T-O, two. Sleeping lines drawn from left. L-E-F-T, left. T-O, two. Left to. Sleeping lines drawn from left to
right.
right. Very good. R-I-G-H-T. Horizontal lines. Sleeping lines drawn from left to right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Or we can also draw from right to left. So sleeping lines drawn from left to right, or R-I-G-H-T, right. R-I-G-H-T, right. Sleeping lines drawn from left to right, or right to
Left.
left. Sleeping lines drawn from left to right or right to left. R, A-R-E, R. Called. C-A-L-L-E-D, called. What we'll call sleeping lines drawn from left to right or right to left are called. Bennett, what we will call these type of lines? What is the name for sleeping lines? Yes, yes. What we'll call sleeping lines in maths? Horizontal lines. Bennett, tell me. Horizontal lines. Unmute and tell me. Horizontal lines.
Horizontal lines.
Tell me the spelling. H.
H
Huh.
O R I Z O N T A L.
Very good. Horizontal lines. Sleeping lines drawn from left to right or right to left are called horizontal lines.
Ma'am.
Yes, please tell me, my dear. Draw the sleeping lines. Example for horizontal lines. Sleeping lines drawn from left to right or right to left are called horizontal lines. And it's a line, so sure we have to put arrow mark at both ends.
That's complete.
Very good. Tirtha, tell me what is the next type of lines we discussed today? What is the next type of lines we discussed? Standing lines, what we will call standing lines, another name. Standing lines drawn from top to bottom, what we will call vertical lines.
Vertical line.
Vertical lines. Let us write V E R I C. V E R I V E R I V E R
Concept.
T I C A L. Please mute your mic. V E R T I T K C vertical A L. V E R T I C A L, vertical lines. Vertical lines. Jennifer, show me vertical lines, how it will be. Is it sleeping or standing? Jennifer,
Yes, ma'am.
vertical lines are standing lines or sleeping lines? Which one? It's written here horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are sleeping lines. Then what about the vertical lines? Vertical lines are
Standing lines.
very good. Standing lines. Standing lines drawn from where to where? Is it left to right or top to bottom?
Up to bottom.
Top to bottom. Very good. Please write all of you. Standing lines. S T A N D I N G. Standing. S T A N D I N G. Standing. S T A N D I N G. Standing. Lines. L I N E S. Lines. Standing lines. Standing lines. Drawn. D-R-A-W-N. Drawn. Standing lines drawn. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Standing. L-I-N-E-S. Lines. Drawn. D-R-A-W-N. Standing lines drawn.
Ma'am, please wait for me.
Okay, right. Standing lines drawn. Who will complete the sentence? Standing lines drawn
From top to bottom. Top to bottom.
Very good. Standing lines drawn from Standing lines drawn from. Stefano, who is writing? Standing lines drawn from top. T-O-P. Top. Standing lines drawn from top. Right. Top 2. T-O 2. Standing lines drawn from top.
Ma'am, please wait for me.
Right, right. Standing lines drawn from. Advait Manoj, complete the sentence.
Down.
Top to down or top to bottom?
Top to
Bottom.
down.
Bottom. Top to bottom. Down is also, but correct word is bottom. Standing lines drawn from top to bottom.
Ma'am, please wait for me.
Standing lines drawn from top to bottom. Please mute your mic. Top to bottom are called Parvati, what will call standing lines drawn from top to bottom? What will call Parvati? Standing lines drawn from top to bottom. What will call? Vertical lines. Very good. Called vertical. V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L. Vertical lines. Standing lines drawn from top to bottom are called vertical lines. Top to bottom.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, please wait for me.
Alpinvani, which is the third line? What is the name of the third type of lines?
Sloping line.
Or we can say slant lines. Very good. Slant lines. That means sloping lines are called slant lines. That's the third one. Last topic. Last new word. S-L-A-N-T. Slant. S-L-A-N-T. Slant. Lines. You have to write and study the spelling, that horizontal and vertical. It's a new words for you, so you can write and study later. Whenever you are free, you can write and study its spellings. Slant lines. Third type of lines, slant lines. Slant lines. S-L-O-P-I-N-G. Sloping. Sloping means it tilted. S-L-O-P-I-N-G. Sloping lines. S-L-O-P-I-N-G. Sloping lines. Sloping lines are A-R-E. Sloping lines are called C-A-L-L-E-D, called. Sloping lines are called slanting lines. Sloping lines are called slanting lines. Sloping lines are called slanting lines. These straight lines are used for drawing solid figures and flat figures. One more line is here, curved lines, that we will take tomorrow. So straight lines and curved lines we use for drawing solid figures and flat figures.
Ma'am, I finish.
Okay, very good, very good.
Ma'am, I finish.
Okay, Advait, very good.
Ma'am, I
Advait, which are the three type of lines? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Advait,
what, ma'am?
which are the three type of lines?
Finish.
Which
Ma'am,
are the
I
three type of lines?
finish. What,
Krishna,
ma'am?
please don't draw on the screen.
Vertical lines.
Advait, I asked which are the three type of lines?
Vertical line.
Very good. Horizontal lines
Horizontal line.
and
And ma'am, this is
slant lines. slant lines. Okay,
And this is 4D.
it's
this is
coming.
4D.
We have 2 more minutes now. Let me wind up the session.
4D.
So I'm going to stop sharing. So we will continue in the next class. Okay. So
And this
thank you
is
for joining.
4D.
Bye bye. See you in the next class.
4D.
Bye, ma'am.